All right, this next one is for my friend Dan Andriano. Some of you probably know Dan's solo stuff, which is amazing, but I'm sure all of you have heard of Alkaline Trio. And Dan is one of the singers, songwriters in that band, and he is the man. He's just an awesome guy. But a while ago, before none of us could go anywhere or do anything, I was on tour with Lagwagon, and we were in Florida, where Dan lives, and we were actually in his town. And I didn't even know at the time that he lived there, but somebody told me he lived in St. Augustine there. And so I kind of, it was a long shot, but I reached out to him and asked him if he wanted to hang out. And I know he has a family, and I know he tours a lot, and I know when you're home and you have a family, you don't really want to hang out with people on tour.
They're so cool.
Yeah, that's cool. No, or they just don't reply. But he did. He replied, and it was so sweet. He came and he picked me up, and then he just showed me his whole town, which, by the way, is just a really beautiful place. It's amazing. Lots of old stuff. But yeah. Anyway, it was a really good day, and he kind of saved me because tours, I mean, I know it seems like really great, but if you do it all the time, it's kind of, a little maddening and boring. So, Dan, thank you for that day. That was really kind of you, man, and it was a good time. The song that Dan picked is a song called Canoe, and it goes like this. Can anybody hear me? Does every loser feel this way? Have we already won? Recognize your reckoning. Contemplate your grave mistakes. Have you already won? Have we already won? 5 a.m. is far too early to feel that you are way too late. The day is already done. Day is already done. Day is already done. Solar shoes migrate toward the last black rain. Execute the hills and valleys, little train, train, train. Can anybody hear me? Does every story end this way? Have we already won? Have we already won? Have we already won? Have we already won? Sorry, I kind of screwed that one up.
I thought I screwed it up. Sorry, Dan.
I went too long at the end.